Malacanang reiterates that President Aquino did not order the Senate to stop its inquiry into the corruption allegations against Vice President Jejomar Binay. Presidential spokesman Edwin La Sierra stressed that the President only relayed to Senate President Franklin Drilon the request of Binay that the Blue Ribbon Subcommittee stop the investigation. La Sierra stressed that the President respects the Senate as a co-equal branch of government.
Walang hangarin ang mga senador na awayin si Presidente kasi nga siguro nagsalita may statement kahapon si Secretary Coloma. Baka yun ang magiging statement muna namin. You know, I believe there's an attempt to parang pag-awayin kami at saka ang senador. Ang ganda naman ng relasyon natin with the Senado. So, ang sinabi na po ng Pangulo natin is unang-una, nirerespeto natin ang independence ng Senado. Pangalawa, ang mga senador ay separate republics, independent kingdoms. Pangatlo, baka may ebidensya na pwede natin ilagay na sa ombudsman kung sakaling kailan. We realize also that maraming aspeto ng investigation meron. But yun lang po ang sinasabi ng ating Pangulo.